A young man was returning home past midnight after a party in Guyana and saw this lovely lady standing under a bridge. He stopped and asked if she needed a ride, and she gladly sat in the back seat of his vehicle. She said that she would take a ride anywhere he was heading, and beyond that, there was no conversation. He was almost home, so he pulled to the side of the road. When he turned around to speak to her, there was no one in the car. Terrified, he sped home, a few houses away, and locked his bedroom door. The young man could not settle down to sleep because he kept hearing sounds outside of his door even though he lived alone. The sounds suddenly stopped, and a white mist entered his room through the keyhole as well as from above and below his bedroom door. He said he then passed out. To this day, he cannot remember what happened that night. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.